students, welcome to chemistry online class. Today we will discuss about unit 12 carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acids. Unit 12 carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid. The last week continuation, today the syllabus or topic is a preparation of benzaldehyde. Preparation of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde formula C6H5CHO. Benzaldehyde formula C6H5CHO. Okay, the structure that is a benzaldehyde structure. Again, preparation of benzaldehyde. Preparation of benzaldehyde. Side chain oxidation of toluene. Side chain oxidation of toluene. Toluene formula C6H5CH3. So structure, that is a toluene. Side chain oxidation of toluene and its derivatives by strong oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate gives benzoic acid. With chromyl chloride is used. Chromyl chloride formula CrO2Cl2. Chromyl chloride formula CrO2Cl2 is used as an oxidizing agent. Toluene gives benzaldehyde. Toluene gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Itard reaction. This reaction is called the Itard reaction. Okay, Itard reaction. Acetic anhydride and CrO3. Chromium oxide can also be used for this reaction. The equation, so that is a toluene. Toluene plus CrO2Cl2. CrO2Cl2, that is chromyl chloride. In presence of CS2, carbon disulfide. In presence of CS2, that is carbon disulfide. The intermediate compound is CH within the bracket OCRO. OCRO HCl2. That is intermediate compound undergoes hydrolysis process. H3O plus, that is a hydronium ion, to give benzaldehyde. Oxidation of toluene by chromic oxide gives benzidine diacetate. Oxidation of toluene by chromic oxide gives benzidine diacetate, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Oxidation of toluene. Oxidation of toluene by chromic oxide gives benzidine diacetate, which on hydrolysis gives a benzaldehyde. The next topic is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction. This reaction is a variant of a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Already we are known Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction two types. One is acylation, another one is acetylation. The Friedel-Crafts reaction, the reagent is common, that is anhydrous aluminum chloride. Anhydrous aluminum chloride is a common. So in this method, reaction of carbon monoxide and HCl, hydrochloric acid, generate an intermediate which reacts like a formyl chloride. Formyl chloride formula HOCl, that is a formyl chloride. So again, one more time, Gattermann-Koch reaction. This reaction is a variant of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In this method, a reaction of carbon monoxide and hydrochloric acid generate an intermediate which reacts like formyl chloride. So benzene, in presence of react with the carbon monoxide in presence of hydrochloric acid, and also Friedel-Crafts reaction, the reagent is a AlCl3. AlCl3 and CuCl. AlCl3 and CuCl. It gives a benzaldehyde. It gives what? A benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde formula C6H5CHO. C6H5CHO. The next third one. Manufacture of a benzaldehyde from toluene. Again toluene. Manufacture of a benzaldehyde from a toluene. Side chain chlorination. Side chain chlorination of a toluene. Already we are known the structure of a toluene is a so formula C6H5CH3. That is a side chain of a benzene. Okay, or toluene. Side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzal chloride. Which on hydrolysis gives a benzaldehyde. Okay. So important note point here. The four compounds is a very important. These are number 1 C6H5Cl. The next one is C6H5CH2Cl. The third one C6H5COCl. Fourth one C6H5CHCl2. First one C6H5Cl, that is chlorobenzene. Next one is benzyl chloride. The next one is benzoyl chloride. The last one benzyl chloride. That is important for related chlorine derivatives, organic compounds. நமக்கு இருக்கக்கூடிய important 4 compounds இவங்க. The related இருக்கும் Cl benzene ring relate பண்ணி வரும். The first one C6H5Cl, that is a chlorobenzene. Next C6H5CH2Cl. C6H5CH2Cl, that is a benzyl chloride. The next one is C6H5COCl, that is a benzoyl chloride. The next fourth one C6H5CHCl2. CHCl2, that is a different. Okay. So see here Cl, CH2Cl, COCl, CHCl2. So common C6H5. Okay. The structures are the first one Cl. Next one CH2Cl. COCl. Okay. The last one CHCl2. Okay. First one chlorobenzene, benzyl chloride, benzoyl chloride, benzal chloride. But here side chain chlorination of toluene gives benzal chloride. This one C6H5CHCl2. First of all, toluene gives benzal chloride. Okay, which on in this benzal chloride which undergoes hydrolysis process gives a benzaldehyde. Okay, so the first toluene CH3. Okay, so toluene undergoes chlorination process in presence of light. We are get benzal chloride, that is a CHCl2. Here 2 hydrogen is removed, then substitute in this 2 chlorine. Okay, so we are get a benzal chloride. In this benzal chloride undergoes hydrolysis process in presence of 373 Kelvin. In presence of 373 Kelvin. Okay, see here oxygen, so H2, CHO plus 2 HCl. Okay, so toluene first of all undergoes chlorination process to give benzyl chloride. Chlorination process to give benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride formula C6H5CHCl2. Again, this benzyl chloride undergoes hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin to give benzaldehyde. This is the commercial method for the manufacture of benzaldehyde. In this method is what? A commercial method. That is the manufacture of benzaldehyde. The next topic is preparation of ketones. Aldehyde parts are over. Both aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. Last one, aromatic aldehyde is benzaldehyde. And now preparation of ketones. The ketones general formula RC double bond O R. Okay. The ketones can be prepared by the action of acid chloride. Acid chloride general formula RC double bond OCl or RCOCl. Ketones can be prepared by the action of acid chloride with dialkyl cadmium. Okay, dialkyl cadmium, that is a dialkyl means a common. Okay, so cadmium formula already namakku therinjadhu CD. So ketones can be prepared by the action of acid chloride with the dialkyl cadmium. So acid chloride here, acetyl chloride, CH3COCl, CH3C double bond O Cl. Okay, 2 moles of acid chloride react with Cl, C double bond O, CH3, cadmium chloride, dimethyl cadmium, the common dialkyl cadmium, but here acetyl chloride 2 moles react with dimethyl cadmium, CH3, CD, CH3. Okay, in this cadmium, to give CdCl2. So the remaining part CH3CO, CH3, again CH3CO, CH3. So 2 moles of acetone is produced. C double bond O, CH3, cadmium chloride, CdCl2. Ketones can be prepared, the first method. Ketones can be prepared by the action of acid chloride with dialkyl cadmium. So dialkyl means here dimethyl cadmium react with 2 moles of acetyl chloride to give acetone. Acetone is a common name. That is a special name. Common name is a dimethyl ketone. Dimethyl ketones. Special name is acetone. IUPAC name is a propanone. Okay, this is the nomenclature. The next, second one, preparation of phenyl ketone. That means aromatic ketones. Preparation of phenyl ketones. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Again Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts on the anhydrous aluminum chloride. It is the best method for preparing alkyl aryl ketones. Alkyl aryl ketones or diaryl ketones. Alkyl aryl ketones or diaryl ketones. This reaction succeeds only with benzene and activated benzene derivatives. The next, the first method, CH3, again the same, acetyl chloride. CH3, C double bond O, Cl, react with the benzene. In presence of AlCl3, first one, aluminum chloride. So Friedel-Crafts anhydrous aluminum chloride. The next, water, that is hydrolysis. So H and in this Cl is removed. Okay, so we are get COCH3 plus HCl. COCH3 plus HCl. That is acetophenone. That is what? Acetophenone. Aromatic ketone, first ketone is acetophenone. Acetyl chloride react with benzene, we are get acetophenone. The next one is just a slightly variation here. So instead of CH3, we write C6H5, C double bond O, Cl. CH3COCl is acetyl chloride. C6H5COCl is a benzoyl chloride. Just now, the four compounds name is C6H5COCl. C6H5COCl. That is the benzoyl chloride. Again, the same react with the benzene. The same cleavage method here also. Okay. So, on the remote process, same. Okay, well, the conditions also same. The first one, AlCl3, aluminum chloride. The next one is water. Okay, well, to give benzophenone, CO, C6H5 plus HCl. The first one is acetophenone, next one is benzophenone. In this reaction, there is the preparation of phenyl ketones. The topic is preparation of phenyl ketones. That is the aromatic ketones. Method is Friedel-Crafts acylation. It is the best method for the preparing of alkyl aryl ketones. This group is alkyl group. This group is alkyl group. So there is a benzene ring is aryl group. Already namakku therinjirudha. But here aryl. Okay, so alkyl aryl ketone. Diaryl ketones. Okay, so alkyl aryl ketones and diaryl ketones are prepared. This reaction succeeds only with the benzene and activated benzene derivatives. The next one is the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. So both chemical properties of aldehyde and ketones. The first one, addition of HCN. Addition of HCN. HCN is a hydrogen cyanide. Addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Okay. Attack of Cn minus cyanide ion. Attack of Cn minus on carbonyl carbon followed by protonation gives cyanohydrins. The first one, addition of HCN. Attack of Cn minus on carbonyl carbon followed by protonation gives cyanohydrins. The equations are CH3, acetaldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH. CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde. There is a Cn minus, cyanide ion. Cn minus. Okay, so this is attack pannaviduvom. So this generate agum. So we are get CH3, CHCN, O minus. That is intermediate compound. That is what intermediate compound. So in this intermediate compound, we will protonation. So H plus. So see here, negative charge, positive charge. In the hydrogen, H plus. That is the proton generate. We are get 2-hydroxypropane nitrile. Cn உலர்ந்து வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த காம்பவுண்டுக்கு நாம நைட்ரில்னு சொல்லலாம். காமன் நேம் வரும்போது acetaldehyde cyanohydrine is produced. So CH3 CHCnOH. That is acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrine. IUPAC name or IUPAC name 2-hydroxypropane nitrile. Nitrile reason in Cn vanda IUPAC name la nama nitrile solranum. The first one, addition of HCN. Attacks of Cn minus on carbonyl carbon. In the okay, carbonyl carbon having positive charge. Okay, that is a carbocation. So Cn minus charge. So attack another nadakum double bond shift agum. So we are get intermediate. That is a intermediate compound kudukom namakku. So then the intermediate compound la nama enna pandrom nama or proton attack pannavidrom. Proton H plus. So already O minus nu irukku. So we are get the final product 2-hydroxypropane nitrile or acetaldehyde cyanohydrines. Cyanohydrines can be converted into hydroxy acid by acid hydrolysis. Hydroxy acid by acid hydrolysis. Reduction of a cyanohydrine gives a hydroxyamine. Okay, to gives a hydroxyamines. Next one is number 2, addition of NaHSO3. The next addition of NaHSO3. Addition of NaHSO3. HSO3. That is a sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. Okay, so acetone. The first one is a acetone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. That is a dimethyl ketone. Common name. Special name is acetone. IUPAC name is propanone. React with the bisulfate ion. Okay, so O minus SO2H. O minus SO2H. Okay, so again the same. So CH3, C, CH3, O, SO2H, O minus. Okay, next again the same, proton transfer. Proton transfer. Okay, so CH3, C, CH3, O, SO2H, OH. Okay, so that is what bisulfite addition compound. Bisulfite addition compound. Acetone react with the bisulfite ion to give intermediate. In this intermediate, proton transfer pandrom. We are get to bisulfite addition compound. Bisulfite addition compound. This reaction finds application in the separation and purification of carbonyl compound. This reaction finds applications in separation and purification of carbonyl compounds. The bisulfite addition compound is a water soluble. Bisulfite addition compound is a water soluble, and the solution is treated with a mineral acid to regenerate the carbonyl compounds. Regenerate the carbonyl compounds. The next third one is addition of alcohol. The next third topic is addition of alcohol. When aldehydes are ketones, is treated with 2 equivalents of an alcohol, 2 moles. 2 equivalent means here 2 moles of alcohol in presence of the acid catalyst to form acetals. To form what? Acetals. Okay. So when aldehydes and ketones, is treated with 2 equivalents. 2 equivalent means 2 moles of an alcohol in the presence of an acid catalyst to form acetal. Example, when acetaldehyde is treated with 2 moles of methanol. Methanol formula CH3OH. Methanol formula CH3OH or methyl alcohol. 2 moles of or 2 equivalents of methanol in presence of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, to give 1,1 dimethoxyethane is obtained. 1,1 dimethoxyethane is obtained. The equation acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond O H 2 moles of methyl alcohol. 2 moles of methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohols நம்ம வசதிக்காக ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதுவோமா? O CH3 H O CH3. ஓகேங்களா? 2 moles in presence of HCl. In presence of HCl. So இத மாதிரி ரிமூவ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா? So minus 2H2. Minus 2H2. இந்த பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கிறது அப்படியே சேர்த்து எழுதுவோம். CH3 in the CH pending OCH3. OCH3. Okay, that is what 1,1 dimethoxy. Methoxy group is a CH3O or OCH3. Dimethoxy 2 carbon is a ethane. Okay, so 1,1 dimethoxyethane. Common name acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal. Common name is acetaldehyde dimethyl acetal. Okay, so that is a important one, acetal. The next reaction. So ஒரு சில key point மட்டும் இப்போ கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துருவோம். Names ஓட பார்த்துட்டு போயிடலாம். The first one NH2OH. NH2OH. For next one, NH2, 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 NH2. The next third one is NH2, NH, C6H5. The first one, hydroxylamine. The formula reverse name NH2OH is a formula. Name is hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine. Okay. To give in the compound, carbonyl compound, hydroxylamine react with the either aldehyde or ketones to produce the oxime. That is the key point. Okay. So, in konja note panni vechukkonga. So, the mind vechita nama reaction easy. Okay. So, hydroxylamine react with the carbonyl compounds, especially aldehyde or ketone, anyone, to give the final product is oxime. The next hydrazine. Next one is NH2NH2. Short formula N2H4. Short formula mind vechukkonga N2H4. That is hydrazine. Hydrazine react with the carbonyl compound. That means aldehyde or ketones to give hydrazone. Hydrazone. Okay. The next one is a phenyl hydrazine. Hydrazine da NH2 NH2 la or hydrogen remove pannittu phenyl group நம்ம போட்டதுனால உங்களுக்கு பேர் என்னதுப்பா? Phenyl hydrazine. இது என்ன கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா hydrazone. Next one is hydrazine. எதை கொடுக்கும்? ஹைட்ரஜனை கொடுக்கும். அதாவது phenyl hydrazone கொடுக்கும். Phenyl hydrazone. So first one hydroxylamine oxime தருது, hydrazone கொடுக்குறாங்க, phenyl hydrazone தராங்க. The formula is important. So கொஞ்சம் அதை பார்த்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ இவங்க கூட reactions one by one நாம பார்க்கலாம். The first one, reaction with the hydroxylamine NH2OH. Aldehydes ketones react with the hydroxylamine to form oxime. அது key point உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்ததுதான். அது மைண்ட்ல வச்சுக்கிட்டா ஈஸியா நம்ம ரியாக்ஷன்ஸ் முடிச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? So aldehydes and ketones react with the hydroxylamine to form oxime. The first one, acetaldehyde, CH3, C double bond OH. Okay, va? So நம்ம அந்த ரிமூவ் பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கனால நான் டபுள் பாண்ட் O நான் இங்க போட்டுறேன், இங்க H. So react with the hydroxylamine, in presence of H plus. Okay, va? So இந்த ரிமூவ் நீங்க எப்படி பண்ணிட்டா போதும். So அதை அப்படியே ஆட் பண்ணி நீங்கள் அந்த ப்ராடக்டை எழுதுங்க. CH3 H double bond NOH plus H2. That is oxime. Acetaldehyde எடுத்ததுனால அது என்னன்னா acetaldoxime. So aldehydes and ketones react with hydroxylamine to form oxime. So acetaldehyde react with the hydroxylamine to give acetaldoxime. The next one is a second topic. Reaction with hydrazine. NH2NH2. Short formula N2H4. NH2NH2. Short formula N2H4. எதை கொடுக்கும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கிறோம் நாம ஹைட்ரஜோனை கொடுக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? So again the same. CH3, that is acetone plus NH2, that is hydrazine. Okay, va? So H plus. The same method here also. என்ன கிடைக்குதுன்னு பாருங்க, CH3 double bond N NH2 plus H2O. That is acetone hydrazone. Acetone hydrazone. Hydrazone. Hydrazine react with either aldehydes or ketones to give hydrazone. So that is acetone hydrazone. The next, the third one is a reaction with the phenyl hydrazine. Phenyl hydrazine formula NH2 NHC6H5. NH2 NHC6H5. In this phenyl hydrazine react with the aldehydes and ketones. Reacts with aldehydes and ketones to give phenyl hydrazine or to form a phenyl hydrazone. Phenyl hydrazone. Aldehydes and ketones react with the phenyl hydrazine to give phenyl hydrazone. Okay, so ketone. Again the same acetone. CH3, CH3 double bond O. So அதே மெத்தட் தான் ஒன்ன போல தான் இருக்கும். NH C6H5 plus H plus. The same water molecule நம்ம remove பண்றோம். So balance CH3 CH3 double bond NH C6H5 plus H2O. Okay, so that is the acetone phenyl hydrazone. Acetone phenyl hydrazone. Okay, the next topic, addition with ammonia. Addition with the ammonia. Aliphatic aldehydes except formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula HCHO. Aliphatic aldehyde except formaldehyde. Aliphatic aldehyde react with the ethereal solution of ammonia. Ethereal solution of ammonia to form aldehydes. Aliphatic aldehydes reacts with the ethereal solution of ammonia to form aldehydes except formaldehyde. Formaldehyde தவிர்த்து balance இருக்கக்கூடிய aliphatic aldehydes react with the ethereal solution of ammonia to form aldehydes. The first acetaldehyde CH3C H double bond O. CH3CHO. அது நம்ம ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் நம்ம ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ்க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி மாற்றி கொஞ்சம் எழுதிக்கிறோம். React with ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3 but split பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா கொஞ்சம் மைக்ரேட் பண்ண போகிறோம் இந்த ஹைட்ரஜனை நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல. ஸோ இங்கே நம்ம இப்படி ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணுங்க. We are get acetaldehyde ammonia. We are get அப்படியே சேர்ந்துருது, வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ஸோ அதனால என்ன நேம் தரோம் நாம acetaldehyde ammonia. OH NH2. ஓகேங்களா? -H2O. ஸோ இது கொஞ்சம் மாற்றி எழுதலாமா? அசிட்டால்டிகைடு அமோனியாவை அந்த H2க்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதலாமா? ஸோ என்ன கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு பார்ப்போம் பாருங்க. NH அந்த இன்னொரு ஹைட்ரஜனை நான் அப்படி போட்டுட்டு வாட்டரை நம்ம மாற்றி வெளியில் அனுப்புகிறோம். ஸோ பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கிற சேர்த்து எழுதுங்க. CH3 CH double bond NH. CH3 CH double bond வரணும். இங்கே ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்ட ஒரு பாண்டை நாம இதை எடுக்கிறோம். ஸோ டபுள் பாண்ட் NH. தட் இஸ் ஆல்டிமின். அந்த என்னப்பா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆல்டிமின். CH3 CH double bond NH is aldehyde. Aliphatic aldehydes react with the ethereal solution of ammonia to form aldehydes. Okay. So next one is a formaldehyde. Next is subdivision 2. Formaldehyde react with the ammonia to form hexamethylene tetramine. ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு டாபிக். ஸோ ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர்ல எக்ஸாம்ல கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. வாட் இஸ் யூரோட்ரோபின்? கிவ் இட்ஸ் யூஸ். யூரோட்ரோபின்னா என்ன, அவங்களுடைய யூசஸை எழுதுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. யூரோட்ரோபின் அப்படின்னு சொல்றது என்னது பாருங்க, ஹெக்ஸாமெத்திலின் டெட்ரமின். ஹெக்ஸாமெத்திலின் CH2 6 times tetra means 4. So that is eurotrophin. CH2 6 times N4. That is eurotrophin. Actual name is hexamethylene tetramine. What is urotrophin? Question இப்படி தான் அமையும். Give its uses. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இப்போ நாம் எடுத்து எழுத வேண்டிய பாயிண்ட் என்ன? யூரோட்ரோஃபின் அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது எக்ஸாமெத்திலின் டெட்ராமின். நிறைய முறை ப்ரீவியஸ் சிலபஸ்ல இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ நிறைய முறை இது ரிப்பீட் ஆயிருக்கு. சரிங்களா? ஸோ ஃபார்மால்டிகைடு ரியாக்ட் வித் அமோனியா டு ஃபார்ம் எக்ஸாமெத்திலின் டெட்ராமின், which is also known as urotrophin. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ ஈக்குவேஷன் பாருங்க, 6 moles of formaldehyde. 6 moles of formaldehyde react with the 4 moles of ammonia. Okay, to give CH2 6 times N4. CH2 6 times N4 plus 6H2. That is urotrophin or hexamethylene tetramin. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ அவங்களுடைய ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் நமக்கு ஒரு சில டைமில் கேட்குறாங்க. அந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் நம்ம எப்படி போடலாம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஈஸி. எப்படின்னு பாருங்க, N CH2 N CH2 again N CH2. Okay, CH2 N CH2. கரெக்டாக அந்த பாண்டெல்லாம் லிங்க் கொடுத்துருங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ஆஃப் யூரோட்ரோஃபின். ஓகே, த நெக்ஸ்ட் டாபிக் uses of urotrophin. Urotropin is used as a medicine to treat urinary infection. அவங்க நேம்ல இருக்குது urinary infection. Urotropin is used as a medicine to treat a urinary infection. The next point, just 2 uses only here. Nitration of urotropin under controlled condition gives an explosive RDX. Nitration of urotropin under controlled condition gives an explosive, that is RDX, research and development explosive. It is also called cyclonite. Otherwise cyclotrimethylene trinitramine. That's all. Next இந்த யூனிட்ல நிறைய டாபிக்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல நாம அதை மீட் பண்ணுவோம். தேங்க்யூ.